Got everything, I got everything. Many money game, I cannot even play. I cannot complain, cause I'm on my game. Hustling all the time, staying on my grind. Man, I'm going for it all. Step that money talk, spit that word call. Life is gonna be a ball. I will never fall, cause I never lose the money. I just get bigger, it's funny. I'm ahead of you and all your crew, cause I'm a jet. I'm going for your man Drake, cause his flow's fake. He just started to bake. He was on the grassy that I can't shake. I'm spitting for the streets, using multicultural beats. Cause I'm spitting hella sheets, ain't no repeats. Going for the top spot, going hard to get the fat. Not smoking hella pot, yeah, I blaze a lot. Give it back to the poor, then get more. Go to the store, give me my iced out shit, drip my milk cause I'm lit, this is what I spit. This is who I rap every day, cause they put me in the pay. Support what I say, I got a revolution by the way. I'm making a change, and this upload is the main. Just seems strange, but it's crack. Never look back. Hear this track, I'm bringing it back. Bad five pretty sure the crack. Rap to take any track. Don't bring the head back. I'm going for the Cadillac. And a fat weed sack. Stay high, stay fly till you die. But just try, don't fall out. Loud it bout. That's why I shout. Don't down my flow. I put on a show too when you're not low. It's all about dope and how we grow. This beat's a late, so I roll and stay focused. You don't even notice, but motors, I wanna lotus. So I'm in a good mood. I'm a chill dude. Going for the weed, so I got the Jeep. Spit to my kid, take you to den, put you in the bed, doing what's good, spin to the hood, and you like roll up, this is for you. Do what you do, stay away from you, stay fresh like Morning Dew and addicted like Mountain Dew. You do what I know, I think like I'm low, like I'm low, ain't nothing new. So I'm done, I'm in the beats, I'm stuck in the money, I'm pumping, so everything, nothing, keep it on me. I'm like a true, show you the truth. Yeah, I know you don't understand, system, I don't understand. The haze that still, they give pills and lay off the chill. The sound of the deal, they riding wheels. I told, I spoke, tongue broke, or I choke, or I croak. Stroll up the curb with the perk, send the word. I need that higher, medical for hire. My need for a supplier, weed is dire. I'm getting higher. You can't be me, you could see me. Lay off the tree, in the shitty tree. Take the key to the wet, roll a jet. Heard the says no flat society. You can't die without this. Spit this sound G. Hear this proudly, bass pound so loudly. My eyes are red, I wake up from bed. I bake up that man, I fake up the fed and shake up no tread. Take off to the airloft where the clouds are soft. Smoke, then I cough, roll, then I puff, spit, then I snuff the beat. No need to cheat, always defeat. No need to repeat, retreat your seat. My rhymes got me like beef. You got grinder, I got keys. I can find your pile leave. I never not chief. I'm swimming in the reefs, but it's not giving me depth. Yes to the left, I ref the rotation, taking you to the space station with the Haze Nation. Everyone blaze, no ration. Till your eyes flashing, till your high never crashing. I fly to never trash, they mush and mash ain't passing. Spin fast and staying past the flag on the mast. That's not in my dictionary. Land is what I do rarely. But I smoke barely. I need a weed fairy. That would be the shit. All I need is be lit. You read like I read, I write like a skit. I like the gent with a flint, rhyme with that tent. No rent, that's why I spent so I can chong this tent. The rhyme is sent to the niggas staying bent, leaving a dent. I'm like selling on an old price, betting on the nice, getting they pie slice.